Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Turks and Caicos. Unlimited data eSIM. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright. Link and coupon will be in the description. Right, open description and click on this link, Fly, and open this web page and click on this, where are you traveling to, and write Turks and this, click on this, open new page, and settings, yes, SIM, high speed, 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. Fixed data and 1 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, 5 gigabytes and 10 gigabytes, 30, 30, 30 and 7 days. Alright, and this price in dollars. Right, click on unlimited data, choose a speed plan, light or plus. Alright, and 1, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7 days, 10 days, 20, 25 and 30 days, and click on plus. Alright, click on plus. How many days do you need? I need 30 days. And click on this. Scroll down and select amount eSIM or 1. And buy 2 eSIM discount this, buy 4 eSIM discount this, buy 6 eSIM discount this. Alright. And 1 eSIM, and click on add to cart or buy it now. Click on this, buy it now. Open new page and first click on this and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips $29.40. This is good, very good. And click on Google Pay and pay Google Pay, or write email and card number, date, security code, name of card, and scroll down billing address and select your country. Select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city, phone, and phone. Alright, and click on Pay Now and open new page and buy a SIM and send your email QR code, and this open QR code, scan QR code, and open settings your phone and install new eSIM, and that's all. eSIM is work, and bye bye.